This is the Stage Panel 864. This is an 864 LED RGB professional stage wash light, strobe light, blinder, and matrix light all in one. The Stage Panel 864 is a beast of a stage light. This one light can do more work than multiple other lights combined. It has 864 bright LEDs built into it, and there are two dedicated strips of LEDs that run through the center of the light that create a strobe or blinder effect, while the rest of the LEDs are RGB and are meant for stage wash effects or stage matrix effects. You can use all of these effects in combination with each other to create some really cool stage environments and ambiances for live performances and DJ sets. It can be attached to lighting clamps so it can be truss mounted, and the light is able to be angled to different positions with the two knobs on either side. You can use one light for smaller stages and venues, or daisy chain two or more together with the power outs and the DMX ins and outs for larger setups. This has up to 39 channels of DMX controls to give you a lot of control options. There are 4 dedicated channels for the strobe effect, while the other 35 channels are dedicated to the color changing LED presets and other modes. There is an LED panel on the back of the light with 4 buttons that you can use to control the presets and change between different modes like the automated programs, setting custom dimmer and strobe values for red, green, and blue LEDs, setting it into master slave mode, and even for sound activated mode, which will change the light based on sound. But let's talk about some effects you can create with this light. The matrix effect allows you to control 8 blocks of LEDs independently with your DMX controller or with the built-in programs and presets. Especially with the 39 channel DMX mode, you can really go crazy with how you control this light. For example, you can have a combination of red, white, and blue LEDs all moving on their own, which will create a really cool looking pattern. You can also create a snake-like effect where the light blocks progressively add up together and create a nice dynamic pattern. This can be combined with the strobe effect as well, and if you have 2 or more of these lights, you can make the matrix effect even more impressive. Using the light for stage washing is to illuminate the stage in a single stationary color such as red, blue, or green. This is great for atmospheric effects and for setting visual moods. Throughout your performance, you can also have the color change. What is great about this light is that the LEDs are super bright and the panel will project the colors over a large surface area. The strobe effect is extremely bright and covers super long distances. There are 3 ways to use this strobe. You can have the center strobe in sync with the rest of the LED panel if you want to use the entire light as a strobe light. The more common way to use the strobe would be in combination with the stage washing effect. For instance, you can watch the stage with red color and then you can use the center strobe on top of it. Combining both the stationary red color along with the strobe really gives you a cool effect that will take your stage visuals to the next level. The third option is commonly used during the climax of a song, where you have the 8 matrix panels strobing in different colors along with the white center strobe light, making for an extremely bright, intense effect. You can populate certain segments of the strobe to turn on, along with adjusting their sensitivity to make a super cool specific program. You can even do that with the non-strobe LEDs. We have a bunch of how-to videos that go through the different modes, as well as how to hook up multiple lights in master slave mode or how to control it with a DMX controller. So be sure to check those out to get the most out of your Stage Panel 864. The Stage Panel 864 is guaranteed to be a light to take your live performance, DJ set, stage design, party hall, or event venue to the next level. So if you're looking for an 864 LED RGB professional stage wash light, strobe light, blinder, and matrix light all in one, look no further than the Stage Panel 864 from Rockville.